Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Keyfob. In this video I'll show you how to access older Toyota's battery. In the beginning, prepare flat screwdriver or tool similar to this. Next, we have to find this gap in the keyfob. Place your tool here and then twist it. Thanks to this, we opened the keyfob. Next, remove the keyfob central part and lift this part. The battery is located here. Now reassemble your keyfob after changing battery. Make sure to squeeze it tight. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.